So another batch of tulips, so we need to count it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then put in the first chain charot, English tata mo gamay, then together, and then chain 1 and make it 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then here, close here. So each 8 chain, make it double. That's it. Chain 1, and then chain 1, make it double. I mean increase. So another increase. Yeah. Okay, another increase 8 times. Another increase, then another increase, another increase, another increase, another increase, another increase. Ayan. Another increase. So make it sure it's all become 18. No, I mean 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 times. Then connect in the first chain. Good na. And together, another chain 1. Make it single crochet, another single crochet. So next it's single crochet, next increase, it means 2 single crochet, next single crochet, next double crochet, I mean increase, next single crochet. Oops, we need to fix this one. Okay, single crochet, next increase, increase, then next single, another increase, increase, next another increase, increase. Yun naman gusto guys. The next increase, increase, single crochet, increase. Malalaman nyo naman na correct yung ginagawa nyo kasi last part nyan is only single crochet. Kasi increase na dito eh. So we need to connect each other. Charot. Then single crochet, another single crochet all around. Okay, 2, 6, 3, 4, single crochet all around, 4. Next single crochet, we need to connect something like this. Okay. Single crochet, another single crochet, we made it together, we made it single crochet all around until we reach 10 times. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so plus 6. Okay, ayan, plus 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, may isa pa. So, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, ayan, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, yan, single crochet, so single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. So guys, we need to connect, and now our tulips head is already done. Ano siya dito ng tulips head? So kailangan natin i-cut diri, gamiton pa mga nato nga ni itahi pag magbutang tag fiber peel. So muna tong tulips head. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.